In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML or embed codes in Wix. First, open the Wix site editor, log into your account, and choose the site you want to work on. Make sure you're in the Wix editor, the main visual design view where you can click and drag elements on the canvas. If you see a simple automated layout tool, switch to the full editor so you have access to all the options we'll use today. Next, add the embed code element. Look to the top left of the editor and click the plus icon to open the Add panel. In the Add panel search bar, type embed code, then select the embed code element from the results. Drag it onto the page and drop it exactly where you want your third-party content to appear, whether that's a map, a form, or a video. Take a moment to position it cleanly so it doesn't overlap your header, footer, or any important text. You can always refine the placement later, but a tidy layout now will save time. Now it's time to paste your HTML or embed code. Click the embed code element on the page, then choose Enter Code in the toolbar or settings. A code field will open. Paste the embed snippet you received from your provider. This might be an iframe from a mapping service, a form builder's embed, or a booking widget. Before applying, check that every link in the code uses HTTPS rather than HTTP. Wix requires secure content, and non-secure links are a common reason embeds fail to load. When everything looks good, click Apply or OK to insert the code. After the embed appears, adjust the size so it fits naturally. Drag the corners of the embed code box to set a width and height that avoids awkward scroll bars. Give the element enough room so users can interact comfortably. Then click Preview at the top right to open a live preview of the page. Confirm that your widget loads properly, responds to clicks, and looks the way you expect. If something doesn't appear, don't worry. First, double check that you pasted the entire snippet and that all URLs use HTTPS. Next, verify that your provider allows embedding on external sites. Some services require permissions or specific settings. Finally, if Wix flags parts of your code as restricted, remove those scripts and use only the approved embed snippet your provider offers. That's how you add HTML or embed codes in Wix. By inserting the embed code element, pasting a secure HTTPS snippet, and adjusting the size, you can easily bring in maps, forms, and third-party tools directly on your page. Thanks for watching.